Yo, what's up guys? Today we're going to be unboxing the M20 from Samsung. So this phone was I think just released in India. It's a big phone over there, and this is the international model GSM. It'll run you about 200 bucks on Amazon if you do decide to get it. So this is sort of, a budget smartphone, but as you can see, let's just go take a look at the packaging here. You can see this phone has FHD Infinity V display, so it has the teardrop notch, a 13 megapixel f.19 main camera, 5 megapixel f2.2 ultra wide camera for the rear, and then you have an 8 megapixel selfie camera. You also have a 5,000 milliamp battery, and that does come with fast charging. And you do have the Exynos 7904 processor clocked at 1.8 gigahertz and 1.6 gigahertz octa-core, 32 gigabytes of storage and 3 gigabytes of RAM. So about what you would expect from a sort of like a budget smartphone. So let's go ahead, see what we got in here. Books. I don't know, I thought it was going to be a screen protector for some reason in here. It's just from the way it looks. Alright. You got the M20. This kind of has a little bit of weight to it. A very premium feeling, but it's got a little bit of weight to it, definitely. Feels very solid though. We do have the international model kind of power brick here, so just clamp that on there. If you're from overstates, so that's how that goes. We have our SIM card tool removal to pop that SIM card out, and this is GSM, so you can put any GSM SIM in here. So that's pretty much it. And then we have, is this USB type C? Yeah, so it's USB-C. So pretty nice for 200 bucks. So let's go ahead and peel this off. This is the blue version. Ah, I thought that was a crack in the screen. I was about to be like, what? Come on. But very nice. So let's go ahead and some more plastic. And there's plastic on the sides of this phone, like little plastic strips, but it looks very nice. You got dual cameras on the back, flash, fingerprint scanner. Let's go ahead and boot this guy up, see if we got any juice. Yeah, I don't think we don't have any power. Alright guys, so we're all booted up, and let's go over the build quality real quick so I can show you guys. So as you can see, really nice. It sort of has like this sort of sandwich design. As you can see like another like little layer part you can actually feel, which is really nice. Like I said, this phone's got a weight to it, so you do have that infinity display. You've got the little teardrop notch on here. We got the power button on the side, volume rockers, nice and big. And we got that fingerprint scanner with those dual cameras and the flash, and we have USB type C with a headphone jack, which is really nice. And we have the speakers and microphone at the bottom. So let's go ahead and just run through some of the stuff right quick. So see if we have anything interesting. Got blue light filter right here. I'm pretty new to Samsung's UI, so I'm not very familiar with everything, so this is all new to me. We got a software update as well. Smart views connect to your TV. We got Dolby Atmos, which I'll probably do a separate video on. I really enjoyed it on the G6. So we come down here. I do have the fingerprint scanner set up, and it's extremely fast. I have the fingerprint gesture set up as well, so if I swipe my finger, you see it'll pull it back up. Which is really awesome as well. So the display on here is gorgeous, and 6-inch display. Looks really nice, full HD. Let's go check out, see how much storage we actually have on here. So I did download a few updates and all that good stuff. So we got 11 gigabytes of storage, and this is the 32 gigabyte model. So that's what you can expect if you do plan to get this phone right out of the box. So let's go ahead and check out some advanced features. We got one-handed mode, we got multi-window. So let's go ahead and check that out real quick. And so far this phone is running really smooth right out of the box. Yeah, so I'm not having any real lag problems at all with this phone. 3 gigabytes of RAM, it's got a fast processor, and the build quality is just really nice on here. Really enjoy it. So let's go ahead and check out some YouTube videos. Check out the screen on here. It's a full HD display. It looks really good. As you can see, you don't even notice the little baby notch that they have on here. I want to click on that. Let's see. Check out some 4K video. The speakers on here are shooting from the bottom, nothing coming from this earpiece, and they seem pretty decently loud. And the display on here is really nice. Go ahead and zoom in. So I like it. Gives off some really nice colors. So far this is a really good phone for $200 right off the bat. Looks very nice. So let's go ahead and check out the camera real quick, see what kind of camera quality we're gonna get. And this is on auto. So far that looks really good, really crisp. It's a 13 megapixel shooter, and that's really nice. The colors are extremely accurate. Looks better than the Huawei P20 Lite. Actually, it gets color really well. That's actually very dead on accurate when it comes to color. So we got live focus mode on here. You got your beauty mode on here, and you got the pro mode on here. Panorama. What else do we have? We got stickers, and we got continuous shot if you want to take a rapid shot. So gonna get into it fully in the review, obviously, but so far we're shooting in 1080p. So pretty nice. So let's go ahead and check out, see if we see anything else interesting. We got Galaxy apps on here. What is that? So these are its own separate. This is a separate app store. Let's see if we can find something else interesting. We got sounds and vibration. Do not disturb, touch tones, sound quality and effects. So this is where you would play with Dolby Atmos on here, which we will get into probably in a separate video, because I really want to take my time with this, and we have to turn that on. Got basic concert hall, so it's gonna be pretty sweet listening to music on this. You have to turn it on with the headphones. You can't toggle it through the speaker. We also have wallpapers and themes if you want to go ahead and change that around. Samsung's got themes and stuff in here that you can mess with. Except, and then we got to update. So many updates. I'm not gonna do that right now. We already did advanced device maintenance. So we can go ahead and optimize, clean out storage here, all that good stuff. I'm really liking the UI on here. It's really fast. Device security, you can just hit these little things. Secure your device, it'll scan your phone for viruses. Ultra data saving, this will clean out storage. This is for the battery. What else? We do have facial unlock, but you know, I wouldn't recommend using it because it's not going to be useful that much. You know, you can be tricked really easy. So we have show a transition when you use biometrics to unlock your phone. Let's go ahead and see what that looks like. Let's go ahead. I didn't see a transition. Install unknown apps. We can pop a microSD card. We can pop one in if we want to expand that storage. Let's just check out the speed. Okay, Google. Yeah, not this. Okay, Google. Okay, Google. Hey, Google. Hey, Google. Okay, Google. What are the NBA standings?
The #1 ranked team in the Eastern Conference right now is the Bucks.
Alright, that was pretty quick. So this phone's pretty quick. We don't have the Google Now page, which is disappointing. So we don't have that. If you swipe over, we can't get over to it by default. So we got Samsung's own internet browser, but I recommend using Chrome anyway. So yeah, we'll get to the full review later, get into the details later, but so far I'm really liking this phone. Really sweet. Yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one.